Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. When people talk about Garuda Linux, they usually think of the flashy Dragonized edition with RGB inspired themes and lots of visual effects. But what if you want all the power of Garuda without the extra eye candy? That's exactly where Garuda Linux KDE Lite comes in. It promises the same Arch Linux foundation, the same powerful recovery features, but with a cleaner and lighter KDE Plasma experience. So, is this actually the best Garuda edition for most users? Let's find out. Garuda Linux KDE Lite is a rolling release Linux distribution based on Arch Linux. Unlike traditional Arch, which requires manual installation and configuration, Garuda gives you a complete desktop experience right out of the box. The KDE Lite edition keeps things simple by removing most of the heavy custom themes and unnecessary applications found in the flagship Dragonized version. The result is a desktop that feels clean, modern, and much closer to a stock KDE Plasma installation while still offering Garuda's unique tools. Installation is incredibly easy thanks to the Calamares installer. Even users with little Linux experience can complete the installation in just a few minutes. Once you boot into the desktop, you're greeted by KDE Plasma, one of the most customizable desktop environments available. You can change almost everything from the layout and widgets to themes, animations, and shortcuts, making it easy to create a desktop that fits your workflow. Performance is one of the biggest advantages of KDE Lite. Since it skips the heavy theming and extra visual effects, memory usage is lower and the desktop feels noticeably snappier. Applications launch quickly, multitasking is smooth, and even older hardware benefits from the lighter setup. If you like Garuda but thought Dragonize was a little too much, KDE Lite offers a much more balanced experience. One of Garuda's standout features is its focus on system reliability. By default, it uses the Btrfs file system along with Snapper snapshots, allowing you to restore your system if an update causes problems. That's a huge advantage for a rolling release distribution where new packages arrive frequently. Garuda also includes useful utilities like Garuda Assistant and Garuda Settings Manager, making tasks such as driver installation, cache cleanup, and system maintenance much easier than on a traditional Arch installation. Software support is another major strength. You get access to the official Arch repositories, the massive Arch user repository, or AUR, and Flatpak support out of the box. Whether you're a developer, gamer, student, or content creator, you'll rarely struggle to find the software you need. Gaming performance is also excellent. Thanks to the latest Linux kernel, up-to-date Mesa drivers, Proton support through Steam, and access to modern gaming tools, Garuda KDE Lite is an excellent choice for Linux gamers. The lighter desktop also means more system resources are available for your games instead of being used by unnecessary background effects. Of course, no Linux distribution is perfect. Because Garuda is a rolling release distro, updates are frequent, and while the snapshot system provides a great safety net, occasional package conflicts can still occur. KDE Plasma's huge number of customization options can also feel overwhelming for complete beginners. If you want something that changes very little over time, Linux Mint or Ubuntu LTS may still be a better fit. Overall, Garuda Linux KDE Lite is one of the best Arch-based distributions you can install in 2026. It combines the latest software, excellent performance, powerful recovery features, and the flexibility of KDE Plasma in a clean, lightweight package. It gives you the benefits of Arch without the difficult installation process and without the visual overload of the flagship edition. If you've been looking for a fast, modern, and highly customizable Linux distribution that can serve as a reliable daily driver, Garuda Linux KDE Lite is definitely worth trying. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Linux reviews and comparisons, and let me know in the comments which Garuda edition do you prefer, KDE Lite, Dragonized, or GNOME. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.